Welcome to RepairSuite. In this video, we are going to explore the ticket tracking feature of RepairSuite. To get started, let's first create a ticket from the Post Ticket menu. We are going to add an issue to our ticket. Now we have added an issue to our ticket. Let's search for our customer. After adding our customer, we are going to click Checkout. Let's say that the customer has partially paid for this ticket and click Checkout. Our ticket has been created successfully. From our dashboard, we can click on the customer menu. And for the specific customer, we can click here and go to the view page. From the view page, we can see our customer information, all of the tickets that has been created for this customer, as well as all of the invoices. Now, after the ticket has been created, the customer will receive an email. In the email, there will be a ticket ID and estimated cost along with a view ticket button and a ticket tracking link. Let's first look at the ticket tracking link. We are going to click on it. The link will be opened in our browser. This link can be used to track the ticket and see the updates in real time. The customer does not need to open an account to track his or her ticket. We can also use the view ticket link. The customer needs to click on the link and log in to the customer portal. If this is your first time, don't worry. The customer portal account has been already created by the RepairSuite system. If you don't know your password, simply reset the password from this button. I'm going to click Remember Me and log in. After logging in, the customer can see his or her ticket information. The customer can also visit the dashboard and see the necessary statistics. The ticket page will list all of the tickets for this specific customer. The customer can view the tickets. From the invoice page, the customer can see all of their specific invoices, view them, or download them. The customer can visit the profile page and update their profile. And that's how easy it is to use the ticket tracking feature of RepairSuite.